Hey guys, SharpBeat77 here, and I am doing my first Bring It On survival video. I already got tons of wolves. Bring It On survival. Yeah, let's do this. Let's do this. What's the seed? What's the seed? The Great Outdoors. Yeah, the Great Outdoors. Let's see, it's a seed there. Me. And that is good. Alright. Bring this up a bit. Alright. There we go. That's good. A bit lag at first. Let it load. Alright. Check out this one. Laggy. My computer's a little slow, so down, off. Alright, there we go. That's good. That's better. Oh yeah, that's 1.6.2. They have horses. Sweet. Horses are awesome. The only mod I'm using here is Optifine, as you can see. So tonight we're going to make a temporary house, which will be made out of dirt. A temporary house, people. Temporary house. So let's get building. Let's have a great first day. Kill some sheep. Get a little bit of wood, maybe. Find any. Just a little more. Alright. Got enough. Oh, yeah, wood. Sheep. Kill the sheep. Getting tons of seeds. Can't believe I've been playing for over a year and I'm still building dirt houses. Back here. Stop hunting from me. Stop it. Stop hunting from me. Okay, I got 3. Okay, let's go over to the... Let's go get some wood. Here. Wood. Let's get some wood. Wait. Ah! Done it. We're on survival. Let's reload this world. I accidentally pressed the wrong button. We're going into... Alright. Options. What was I going to do? Can't remember. Can't. Oh, yes. Ah! Oh my god. 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 I'm messing up a lot. Oh. Options. What? Oh. Normal. Not hard. No hardy. That's later with hardcore. How does it do that? That annoys me. Not showing the lines that when you start breaking it. Kind of annoys me. Alright, I think that's enough wood. Yeah, that's enough wood. Yeah. Alright. Let's start building, shall we? Not in the desert. No desert. Let's go back to the plains biome. Over here. Yep. I think we should build here. Just clear out some grass right here. Alright, let's build a little dirt house here. It's a very small dirt house. Gonna need lots more dirts. Ooh, I got an idea. Alright, the rest is gonna be wood. The rest is gonna be wood. Remember, this might be a temporary home, I don't know. Don't know. You'll never know. Alright, let's get more wood. Alright, a lot more wood, need lots more wood. Maybe lots more trees too. Lots more trees. But after I'm done building this, I don't know, this might go for 15 to 20 minutes. Where's my house? Oh yes, this way, of course. This way. It's right here. This should be the house. Hey sheep. Yeah, this is definitely the house. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna need a little more wood. Sword. Yeah, okay, there we go. Bring the sword here. Put a door here. And get tons more wood. Tons, just tons of wood. Sorry. Just finished watching Family Guy. With Peter Shenanigans. Oh yeah, in my last Minecraft video, I hope you went to that server. If you did, I'd appreciate it. Oh yeah, I need food. I can't sprint. Oh god, I can't die. This series is over. If I already die, I have a sword. Come on, sword. What's with all the sheeps? I don't need a sheep. I need like a cow, or Jeffrey, or whatever you call it, pig. If I die, the series is over. Oh my god, where's the sun? Oh yeah, that's right. Wait, is it going down? Oh crap, it's going down. Oh my god, what the freak is with all the sheeps? Oh man, that's taking me. Oh man, I should go back to the small swamp biome and get some mushrooms so I can make mushroom stew. That would be nice. An axe in my hand. That'd be nice. I always love mushroom stew. Let's get some mushrooms going on here. 4 mushrooms, yeah, that's good. Oh yes, an apple. An apple has fallen. Yum, 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 yum. Alright, now I can sprint. Once again. I'm not gonna die of hunger. Oh, pig. Oh, thank you, Jesus. Well, Notch in this case. Thank you, Notch, for this food. Thank you. Not a very successful day, especially with this laggy. Haha! Yeah. I'm gonna get more food just in case. Oh gosh. Must go to bed. It's not time. Oh, dang it. Sorry I did it once again. Hope I don't do it in my next video. Hey, see me in the background for a second. Hold on, I'm going to turn off the light. Alright, I'm back. Going to my house full with sheep. Well, anyway guys. Oh god, that's dark, isn't it? So, see a little bit. 90. That's fine right there. Let's build this roof quickly. And we had a fine day. Let me put down a chest here. Where the heck did I get these buttons from? Literally. I put everything in my chest. Whoa. I almost exhaled the game there for a second. You cannot see anything out of it, can you? I'll fix that. Actually, brightness on the game. Oh, darker, 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 darker. A little brighter. Right. You see it now, can you? Yes. But you can't see my screen, can ya? Brighter, 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 brighter. Brighter. Oh. No. Up. Okay, yeah. Alright, so I'll see you next time. Hope you liked this video. And I hope you watch the rest of this amazing series. Skyrim. Anyway, that is it. Shriver P77 out.